Unlock the secret to creating truly delightful digital experiences by harmonizing UX Pilot and Lovable. Imagine a world where your lovable projects effortlessly resonate with your users, and that journey begins with understanding them intimately. UX Pilot is your powerful ally in this endeavor, offering robust tools to conduct insightful user testing and gather invaluable feedback. The first step is to define clear objectives for your user testing. What specific aspects of your lovable application are you looking to evaluate? Are you testing a new feature, a critical user flow, or the overall intuitiveness of your design? Next, craft realistic and engaging task scenarios within UX Pilot that mirror how users would naturally interact with your lovable application. Think about the core functionalities and the common user journeys you want to validate. Now, it's time to recruit your target audience and launch your testing sessions. UX Pilot's platform makes it easy to connect with participants and collect their qualitative feedback. Whether it's through video recordings, screen annotations, or direct responses to your questions. With the data gathered, dive deep into UX Pilot's analytics, analyze heat maps to see where users are focusing their attention, review user flows to identify drop-off points, and meticulously examine the qualitative feedback for recurring themes and actionable insights. This is where the magic happens. Armed with the knowledge from UX Pilot, you can now strategically refine and optimize your lovable projects, make informed design decisions, prioritize improvements, and ensure your application provides a seamless and enjoyable user experience. By weaving together UX Pilot's powerful user understanding with Lovable's efficient development, you build applications that not only function flawlessly but also truly connect with your audience, fostering user-centered design and elevating your entire digital product.